Hello and welcome back to my channel, Bhadra's Cooking Journey. Hope you've tried my Mumbai vegetable sandwich, and I think you've guessed that in my next episode I would be making something sweet. But this episode I'm going to make a salad, and that also I'm going to make kiwi cucumber salad. It's very simple. So let us start. So to get started, we will make the dressing for the salad. So dressing for this salad is French vinaigrette dressing. Vinaigrette means vinegar. So first we will be needing a bottle, and you will get to know why I am using it. And then you will be needing, and the other ingredients are vinegar, olive oil, mustard, honey or maple syrup, and pepper, salt, and like that. Okay, so let's get started by making the dressing. Now into this bottle I will be adding white vinegar. If you have balsamic vinegar, you can use that, but I don't have it, so I'm using normal white vinegar. Okay, 1 tablespoon. Okay, now 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Okay, 2 tablespoons. Now we will be adding half teaspoon of mustard, half teaspoon of mustard sauce. Okay. Next we will be adding 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Now a pinch of pepper, okay, and a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt or salt as per your taste. Okay. Now we will close the lid of the bottle and give it a nice shake. Okay, see? So our dressing is ready. So our French vinaigrette dressing is ready. That's why I said that we should shake. So that's why I said that you should need a bottle. Shake, 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 shake. So our vinaigrette dressing is ready. So now let's get started with the salad. So as you know, our hero of the dish is kiwi and cucumber. So we need next 1 pomegranate and 1 small onion, 1 cucumber, 2 kiwi, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of paneer. Now if you have feta cheese you can use. As I don't have, I'm using homemade paneer. And around half to 1 cup of peanuts, roasted peanuts. Now if you have walnuts, toasted walnuts or pine nuts, you can use that, but as I don't have, I'm using roasted peanuts. We are using nuts so that a nice crunch comes to the salad. So we will cut the kiwi, cucumber and onions into small cubes. So I've cut the kiwis without the skin and the shape is like this. Okay. If you want, you can cut them with the skin, but I prefer like this. Okay. And if you get hold of oranges or grapes, you can use them. Okay, it's a very refreshing salad. It's a summer salad really. Okay. Now we'll put the kiwi into the bowl and cut the cucumbers. Okay. So I've cut my cucumbers without the skin. If you want, you can use the skin for the cucumbers also, but I prefer like this. and my cucumber's shape is like this, same as the kiwi. Now we'll put this also in the bowl and cut the onion. Oh, we will put the pomegranate also. Okay. Okay. Now we'll cut the onion. Okay. So I've cut my onions also. In this salad, basically onions and tomatoes and capsicums are not used. Okay. Now we will add the peanuts. 4 tablespoons of feta cheese or paneer. Just crumple it with your hands and just put it, okay, all over. See, like this. Okay. Some more. Now we will pour our dressing, which is French vinaigrette dressing, all over the vegetables. Okay. I poured it all. Now let's mix it nicely. Okay. We will mix our salad gently because salads are usually mixed gently. So our cucumber kiwi salad is ready. Now we will serve it in a nice serving bowl. So a kiwi cucumber salad with French vinaigrette dressing is ready. It looks so colorful. So do try it at home. Like and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.